I can't.
Aria,
Oh, wait a minute.
look, what is that?
Oh,
Merry
look, look, look.
Christmas, honey.
I'm just gonna go with this.
Did you get a
Oh,
bite?
I can't get to the camera, Karen. Oh. Aria just found her toys.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's got petals and everything. Aria, look over in your play area. Aria Grace.
Oh,
Yeah, you found a
Cyril.
ball.
Oh,
Yay.
perfect.
Aria, look.
Turn
Look
around.
over there. There's a house.
Oh, just let her find it. Oh, yeah. Put the ball in the...
Where are you going, honey?
Just, oh, there's so much here. I don't know what to do.
Aria, look. Look.
Aria. Oh,
Oh.
my goodness.
Oh.
Oh, no. Look.
Oh my goodness. Is that a house?
Oh, my goodness. Oh, they're gonna close it up. I'm staying in here the rest of the day, just giving me my food.
Uh-oh.
Whoa!
Birdie's
Bird fell down.
falling.
Oh my goodness.
Look at this. Look at this. Oh, and I'm back up on the roof. So exciting.
You won't see it.
Yeah,
Oh, I wouldn't try to bust through the shutters.
I know. Close the door. Aria, there's a window. Can you open the shutters? Play peekaboo?
Play peekaboo with the window.
Alright. Bye-bye.
She likes that door. Now the cat's gonna come into the picture. Aria, you wanna see Marley? Open the window.
She'll get it. Now we have to go in and out for a while.
There
There
we
you
go.
go.
Oh, windows.
So exciting. You even have a phone over there.
She's kind of exploring now.
Uh-huh.
What does this house do?
Peekaboo.
Hi, kitty.
Peekaboo.
Now I'm getting the hang of these windows now.
Alright.
And the door.
Christmas 2011.